This air filter has a ton of features, but what I love about it, it actually has two air filters. So they're right here on the front. You just pull this cover off. You'll notice right here we got a little tab that says front, so you know which direction you're going to have it faced. And this actually has three filters. This is actually one filter right here that you can remove. It's on here by Velcro. So you can remove this and wash it out with no problem whatsoever. Then it also has a HEPA filter right here. Now the HEPA filter is really good about getting those small particles. This is over 99% efficiency. And then we also have a carbon filter. You'll see here it's on the back side. That is really good for odors, smoke, fumes, things like that. So with this triple filters here, it's going to be able to get everything that you need to. And they're super easy to put in. It's going to line it up like that. Just make sure it's in there good and tight. And pop the lid on. Now it does have two filters. We got another one on the back side. So you've got two filters pulling the air on both sides, and the air is actually going to come up right through here in the middle. Now it does have handles on both sides, so it's real easy to carry and move around if you need to take it from room to room. Overall, the construction is really nice. I've been using this for the past couple of days. It is super quiet, and I'm just really happy with it. On the bottom side, this is where we're going to go ahead and plug it in, and you can actually store this all up through in here and hide it away when you're not using it. Now all our controls are right here at the top. Here's our power button. As soon as we turn it on, we're going to hear a little beep. And you'll notice right here, this is something I haven't seen before. We've got a green bar up here. What this does is gives us a number down here, 1 through 75 and beyond. What it does is it gives you an AQI, air quality index. So 0 through 35 is going to be green. That means it's a good index. Right now, I'm down to a 1. I've been filtering my air now for the past about 2.5 days. And it started out at about a 4. Now it's down to a 1. If it gets up to anywhere from 36 to 75, this is actually going to turn to yellow. Anything above 75, it's red. It means that the air is not clean and we need to go ahead and clean it. Right now I have an AI mode, or actually auto mode. And what it's going to do, depending on the air quality, it'll vary the speed of the fan. So if it's real dirty, it's going to go ahead and automatically go ahead and increase the fan speed. Of course, we've got a 3-speed fan over here. You can always get it out of auto mode. Go up to speed 1, 2, or 3. And it even has a turbo mode. We've got a sleep mode here. What it's going to do, it's going to go ahead and darken everything. So when you're sleeping, you won't see any lights. Now this also has pet mode. And what it does in pet mode, it'll go to turbo speed for 15 minutes. Then it's going to go to speed 3 for 5 minutes. Then it's going to go back to auto mode. It also does have a timer right here. We've got 2 hours, 4, and 8. Also has a child lock, so you can go ahead and lock all these buttons down so they can't be pressed and actually activated. It does have a filter reset button, and it also has aroma pads. You just pull this off. It does come with 2 extra ones, so we got a total of 3. You can just put a few drops of essential oils in there just to make it smell really nice. And it also has tip over protection. So right now it's on, but as I start to lean it over, it goes to an error code and kills out the power. It's got lots of features. I love that it has 2 different filters on here to really go ahead and clean out the air. And then we've also got an air quality index letting me know how the air actually is. I hope you found this review helpful.